Princess Beauty TV. I am back with another wig review. Today I'm going to be reviewing Bobbi Boss Miss Origins, okay? A human hair blended half wig, and the name of it is Brazilian Wave, okay? In a color 1B. Alright, so let me get it unpackaged. Okay, here she go. It's like a little deep wave. Feels very, very good. Okay, it tangles. Okay. And it sheds. Alright. All these wigs shed, but this one it sheds, but not too much. Okay, the cap construction has 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and the adjustable straps on each side. Okay, so let's see what this unit is working with. Yes. Okay, I got her on and she is definitely beautiful. Just beautiful. Alright. She's pretty long. And it's very lightweight. It has like a silky texture to it. And like I said, this is human hair blend. So it's mixed with human hair as well as synthetic. Alright, here is the wig from the side. The back. Alright, and the other side. Okay. Put it all back to the front. Gorgeous. Come in a little closer so you all can really see what's going on with this. Okay. She's a winner. She's beautiful, and it really looks like some bundles. Gorgeous. And I believe this unit right here costs like $18.95 or something like that. Yes, it's worth it. I believe it's worth it. I totally recommend it. So you can style it in any way you choose. With the little ponytails, a up-down look, a bun at the top. I think all that will just be lovely on this. Okay, thank you so much for watching Princess Beauty TV. If this is your first time coming over to my channel, please be sure to subscribe and join the Royal Princess Beauty family today, honey. Hit the bell notification so you will not miss out on any of my new videos. Alright, with all that said, please be sure to also share this video with others, like and leave me a comment. I would love to chat with you and know your thoughts on this lovely unit right here. Okay, thank you all again for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.